Alright, welcome back guys. You might have noticed this is kind of different if you've been watching the previous videos where we modelled and textured this, so I'm going to show you what I did in Maya. So I've changed the colour. This was green, it's now yellow. I've changed the contrast so we can see the detail a bit more, and I've tidied up the hierarchy here so it's nicely organised, and yeah, so the pivot points are in a nice place as well. And I've scaled it so I don't have to adjust the scale. So some boring stuff I didn't want to do in the video. So we can make this look really nice, guys, and I want to show you how nice we can make it look in our scene. So firstly I want to create a prefab, and I'm just going to call it plant 1. Then let's drag the plant 1 up to here, and I think the plant will look really nice in the beginning of the scene on this ledge. So let's drag it up onto the ledge. I want to make this one quite big, and let's just rotate it in a random position, shall we? So put it in, make sure it's in the ground because our polygons are missing, and yeah, just make it look nice like that. Let's duplicate it, and I want to make this one really small, add some randomness to it. Yeah, let's just put it in like that. I think that looked good. Let's duplicate it again, and let's do a little mid-range one. The pivot point's not very good, so I want to change that later. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So let's just adjust these a bit more, make it a bit bigger. Turn it around a bit, and let's just bring this one to the front, shall we? So okay, let's see what it looks like, and I think that's turned out pretty good, to be honest. I want the sunlight to capture this bit, so what if we rotate it a bit more? That's better, and we can rotate this one like so. And maybe this one can be facing that way a bit, capture more light. So the light looks really good, guys. So okay, so let's select all 3, make them a bit bigger so they can stand out a bit more, play the game. So wow, that looks really nice, I think. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So we can make it look a bit nicer, I think. To make these seeds stand out a little bit, we can add a component to them, maybe a light, maybe. So a yellow glow in the surrounding area. Don't want the range to be too much, don't want it to be too intense, but just a little bit. Okay, so let's just select them again. So just make them look nice in the scene, guys. And I just want to make another one up here just to add some more detail. I'm going to make this one really big and put it on like that. So alright, so that's that. For some reason our wind turbines have gone, so something happened there. So anyway, I'll fix that later on. So as you can see, it looks really nice, and the whole process doesn't take long, guys, to add detail to your scenes. I'll make some more detail later on. Let's see if we can see it. We can see it kind of. The clouds are in the way, but that adds more effects to the level. So yeah, so what we did, guys, I firstly took a picture in the park of these. That's where I got the inspiration from. We modelled it in Maya, we made the image plain, then we textured it. Even though we used this image to model the plants, we use this one to texture it because it's bigger and it's got nicer contrast and stuff. Import it into Unity, put it in your scene, and then you're done. So adding detail to your scenes is quite simple to do, and these are very dynamic objects, guys. I mean, they're organic, so they can be really random. So you can go crazy with these, make them look really nice. Just tidy things up a bit, I think. I could play this for quite a while. Okay, so in the next, I can just imagine these animating, like swaying in the wind, so I might do that in the next few videos. I really want to show you guys some animation tricks and how to animate some stuff in the scene easily. So, and then we'll go on to adding some interactivity in the scene. So in the next few videos I'll add more detail to this scene. I think it looks really nice already. As you can see, we don't need too many colours on these leaves, just the one shade of yellow or a few shades of yellow does the trick, and it kind of goes well with the rest of the scene. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We'll add more detail to this, so thanks for watching.